Okay. Hello, from Slovenia, from Ljubljana. These are my colleagues. First of all, Maria, who is recording now, Marieta, Maria, Maida, and Tatiana. They will help me. So, first of all, I will show you what you must do. Now, see what you must do. We have 4 panels. We will bring it together, but together with me. So geometric terms are very difficult. So we must learn them, and you and your children will learn with me. And in the meantime, we will learning the terms. You will put the panels on the cards on the table. I will show you through the game, okay? Now we start.
Do you have any questions? No?
Yeah, demo. You have the bag. The bag. In the bag are cases. Yes? Let's divide lines and shapes. Divide line and shapes. You must have 3 different tables. And divide shapes and lines, please. First of all, you must divide shapes and lines, please. The cards on the table, you must divide.
Here we have some other cards which we will not meet or use, and this will be leftovers.
Yes.
So here are the lines, as you can see, the point, the line, and so on.
Just divide lines and shapes. Then we will start, okay?
I have a question. What should we do with the cards?
Divide them.
No, yes,
for
divide,
now,
but we have
just divide.
Yes, we have two stocks of cards.
Yes.
One of shapes and one of lines.
We will start with lines. So, so
you can just spread the lines cards around the table, okay?
Then you can find them, okay?
We will find...
just put over the table.
Yes.
Okay.
Because we will find the pairs, and first children will learn
about geometric terms.
Yes, okay.
Okay. You will play with us. Yes. Not around the table, but in the class. So make some space.
It's going to be an activity, a movement as well for the children. Okay?
This is for the little children, and it starts at the 3rd grade to invite children to the geometric terms. The geometric terms. Do you have 4 tables? You will need 4 tables. Yes?
You don't need to put
The pairs
the
together.
pairs together.
We will do it together.
Okay, and now we will start. I hope you have these terms separated into two groups, and we will start. So if you would like to join us, are you ready, children? Are you ready, teams? Yes?
Stand up. Can you stand up, please?
No.
No? Yes, thank you. Stand up. Take these two cards. This is a point. So we will make a point. Let's see our teachers. This is a point.
Maria, кажи.
Yeah. Okay. Point. Yes. Let's put them on the table. Mm-hmm. Yes? Okay?
Yeah?
Okay. Now we will make a line.
Okay.
And the teachers are making the line. So we would like to show you how children can present the terms with their bodies. So this is called total physical response. So here teachers are making the line, as you can see. Before they were showing you the point. And this is the way how children learn. They learn with their bodies. And this is very good for all the children who have learning problems, learning disabilities. They use their bodies to learn new terms. For example, this is the line. Before they were making the point. And Irnea found these two cards, line, and she will put these two cards on this board, on the cardboard. Now she will find straight line. This is straight line. I don't know how it is in your language. And teachers are now making straight line. This is the first one, has a point, and then we have a line, and the line is finished with a point. Okay? So this is the segment line in English. And now Irnea is showing you the term end points. As you can see, this segment line is
Measure
the
line.
Yeah, it's 4 centimeters long. And here we have 4 teachers. Okay.
These are points.
We have 2 points, and in the middle there is a line, but the term was end points. End points.
She is the end point and she is the end point.
Yes? And now we have all the pairs together. First it was the point, then it was the line, the segment line, and the end points. Now we have the term equal line segments.
Two equal line segments.
Yeah, two equal line segments, two equal lines. And teachers are going to show you this. Okay, as you can see. Yeah. Okay, two equal lines. They are
Segment lines.
okay. Yes, yes, segment line. They have dots, and between the dots, the points are two equal segment lines. And the last pair is the length of.
Ja vem, sam smo point zamenjali, nič hudega.
Okay.
These are here and these are here. Let's observe all together.
So here is the check.
The final of one table. The final of one table.
You should have something like this. No, you should have exactly like this. So, do you have any problems? Do you have any questions?
Do you understand all the geometric terms? You can ask.
Okay. And now we are going to present you the new board, another board.
We will start with ray.
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 Okay, and the teachers are showing you the ray. The first teacher, the first children, or the first child is a point, and then we have a ray or a line. So this is a new geometrical term, a ray. Point and the line, which is not finished, of course. Okay? The next one is
the ray point. So Tatiana will be a point.
Point of origin.
Point of origin.
She is a point, and then we have a line, but the term was ray point of
origin.
Ray point of origin. Okay? Now we have this pair. This is the parallel, those are parallel lines. Parallel lines. Parallel lines, and teachers are making parallel lines, as you can see. Okay? So now we have pairs. This is the first board, And we are making the second board as well. And another pair is intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. So teachers are going to show you intersecting lines. Two lines which are intersecting. Okay? So Irnea is putting pairs together. Yes, and there is another pair. Intersecting point. Intersecting point. And we need two lines and we need a point. Irnea will be a point. Okay, and yes, something like this. And Irnea is playing a point now. Okay? So the pair goes down. Okay, and we have the last pair. The last pair is perpendicular lines or something like that. Perpendicular lines. So children can use their imagination. And teachers, yes. Oops. And teachers are making these perpendicular lines. Okay? So now we have two boards finished or two groups finished. This was the first, and you can see the pairs. Here is the pair, here is the pair, and so on. And we have the other board. So this is the pair, and so on. Okay?
Now we have shapes.
Any questions? Okay. So do you have these pairs?
I just have a question because it looks like I have two cards, Vertex and Ray, without the picture. Is it correct?
This is vertex ray za tole.
This is, it's here, it's leftovers. These are difficult words. So we are not doing this today. You see, these are leftovers, and we are not doing this today. We are doing just this, just 4 tables. Actually, first we've done the lines section, and now Irnea would like to show you the...
Alors maintenant avec l'autre, les autres, là, on va essayer de faire pareil, les figures et les mots qui vont ensemble.
Irnea will show you the shapes.
2D shapes.
2 shapes. And Irnea is showing you the first pair, and this is the square. So teachers are already making the square. As you can see, here are the lines. Okay. So this is kind of a square. Now, Irnea is showing you the rectangle, the shape rectangle, and the teachers are going to make rectangles with their body. So, something like this, but you can let children to use their imagination. So, as we have seen, I think with some other group, they use imagination. So here is another pair, triangle, triangle. Okay, this is the pair, and teachers are making the triangle with their bodies. Okay. So, is it too difficult? Is it too difficult and too fast for you, or is it okay, groups? It's okay? Okay, perfect. And here we have the circle, and of course we can make the circle. I think it's very easy. Okay, to make a circle. Yes, like this. Okay. And we will not show you this pentagon. We will not show you because we don't have
Time
and we don't have enough teachers. And there is another pair, hexagon, which you can have if you have 6 children or whatever, or if the children have really great imagination.
And this.
Yes. So we have another board filled with pairs. Pairs of shapes. Okay?
Now,
and these are geometrical bodies. And we have the pair cube. And then we have rectangular prism. Then we have sphere. And we have a cylinder. We have pyramid. Like this, yes. And we have.
This is the spare because
this was the spare
for the completing.
Yeah, it's not the geometrical body, but it's a
face.
It's a face of a 3D, yeah, of geometrical body. Okay.
Okay. We have twice cards with the word hexagon. I don't know. Is it normal?
Yes. It's my fault.
Yes, it is. And we also have a card without anything, just the logo of each in a blank background and in a blue background.
Yeah, this is for the Black Peter. This is for
Black Peter. Okay, I understand.
Black Peter, yeah.
Okay, and now we are playing like memory or like Black Peter?
Yeah, now we will play memory. No,
just memory.
Just memory.
It's not enough
just
time.
Memory. Okay.
Yes.
So, and the coins. I will wait for your answer.
Yeah. The coins. Okay. The coins is the winner gets the coin. When we will play the memory, the winner gets the coin, and that's it. So. So if you want to divide children into four groups according to these boards,
2 or 3 players.
So there are in each group there should be 2 or 3 or maybe more players. 2, 3 players. So we have like 8 players all together, or divide children into 4 groups. So each group will play a memory game. Okay? So this is the level 1.
The first level is to mix all cards together and find pairs. We are learning now. This is the learning process. So we will learn which cards are together. A zamenjava, da ti bo lažje. We mix them. So because we don't have so many players, each teacher has its own board. But you know, with the children, you can have, like I said, I found point and I put it point. Yeah. So Yernea is playing with herself because we don't have children. So I found line. So this is only the level 1. It's just, you know, trying to find the pairs. And points. Equal lines. Ne, zadnje gre tako. Kaj je to face of 3D? Tisto, kar je... Super, ali pa tako. Maria has won. Maria has won, yes. Maria has won because she was the first to put the pairs together. Majda, for example, has lots of problems. And Yernea is helping everybody. She's a very good student. Equal segment line here. Okay. Well, and Yernea was the last one. Yes. Because she was helping all the others. Okay, so this was the level 1. Can I get 1 point? Oh, Maria gets 1 point because she's a winner. Yay, Maria won the first game. So this was level 1. They can, if you want to proceed with level 1, or if you want to proceed with the level 1, children can turn around and they can switch the boards. Switch the boards and so on. Switch the boards, so Yernea would get this one and so on and so on. But today we are not going to do this anymore. Yeah, or children will switch the places. Yeah. And now, this is the second level. The second level. Are you ready for the second level? Mix the cards. And now you put the face down. Okay. So this is just a regular memory game, which is not very difficult if you have a good memory. Or English, knowledge of English. Zdaj pa odpiraš. Zdaj bi mogla imeti po 2, ne? Dva ali več se igrati. So, yes, of course. I mean, you can play with yourself, but it's better if there are 2 children, you know. But we don't have so many children, so let's see how Yernea will do this. Majda is very fast. No, she's not. Marietta is also doing very well. Yes. I'm cheating. I'm cheating. And no. I think Majda is the winner. Majda is the winner, and she will get a 1 token, a coin. A token. Point. Who is doing now? Maria has finished as well. Left, straight, tule. Kaj sem pa tega, zdaj pa še ta vstol. V redu. And Yernea is finished as well. Okay. Ja, naslednja stopnja je pa, da daš več, dodaš te dve skupaj, da jih je več, pa več jih igra. So, this was the second level. And the third level would be, that you put lines together, all the terms for lines together,
and all the terms for geometrical bodies and yeah, you put together. So you have one big memory game for lines and one big memory game for the shapes.
2D shapes or 3D shapes.
Yes.
But
here, of course, children really have to know the terms, or maybe they can there can be more players in the group. Here, Maria and Irnea will try to find all the pairs. So this is level 3 because we have more cards.
Okay. Shall we start? Že začátku, okay.
Dolžina stranice. No. Okay.
Hier bist du. Bravo. Ja, daj.
Ne, to ni, to je skvernik.
Baš prav.
Okay, we have a bit problems because it's everything in English and it's very interesting also. But Maida has found a pair.
Yeah. No.
Line.
Yeah,
a line. A line.
Keep on.
Yeah, né?
Like evo.
Irne also has. They have 2 pairs. Actually, Maida has 2 pairs.
Ne, to smo nekaj skupaj. To je tiste face 3D. Circle. Evo ga, super.
Evo, ne, to so points.
Tale je piramida.
Cylinder.
Je bil pa oval. Bravo, super. Hexagon, cube, cylinder, hexagon,
Ai. Bravo.
To je tisti. Okay.
Irne, jaz ti bom to ugasnila.
Prav.
To je tak nima nobenega smisla, čisto obrno.
Še, kaj že tam še, tisti krog.
Spir, to je krogla.
Sploh ne kazati Slovenija, ampak je kazal Mauric.
Bravo. Ja, super. Bravo. No, right. Ja, okay. Second point. No, diga.
Ja, dat is dan face. Oh.
Second line. Great.
And we have the winners. Marietta and Maida are the winners. So, yay. But even Irne and Maria were not far behind. So yeah. Yay. So the winners are here. And groups, how are you doing? Okay, I suppose
It's difficult.
the memory game can be very difficult, but this one with the lines in English is quite difficult. But also in your own languages, it can be very difficult because there are so many different terms.
Yes, a lot of terms.
So here Yernea has prepared also the
PowerPoint.
PowerPoint and the
We can send them. The clues how to manage.
And now they are just, putting everything back together
In the
in the cases. Okay. So today we have shown you how you can play with children and how they can show these geometrical terms with their bodies. And this is kind of the didactics of this lesson. So in Irnea's lesson plan, there is not this part with children showing the terms with their bodies.
It's a different situation. I must arrange for the teachers and less players. So it is. Oh, we are less players and less pupils in the class, and it's different than in this lesson plan. It's totally different.
So you can see it's very useful game. You can use many different. Very useful game because you can play many different games. So maybe this is for the introduction of the terms. Then when the children know the terms, you can play some other games for revising, for strengthening their knowledge and so on.
Okay, thank you very much for these games. Children have fun with all the games. It was very interesting. We try memory. We try black pepper, and it was very fun. Children like it very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, we have a lot of fun here too. So
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
See you tomorrow morning at 10.
Yes.
Enjoy your evening.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay.